Welcome back to 2 Minute PD. So, in this session, we're going to talk about having a Teams meeting, but I want my students that I have placed in groups. So, I have groups of students that I want to collaborate on the same whiteboard. Perhaps I want groups of students to practice problems together. Whatever it is you want them to do, they're going to collaborate on the same whiteboard, but you don't want your whole class to be on the whiteboard. So follow with me. I'm going to go to whiteboard.microsoft.com. That's available in your waffle also. And I'm going to generate my whiteboards. I have three of them. I have one for Bobby's group, Derek's group, and Jennifer's group. What I would do in the team meeting, so I'm going to access a prior meeting that I had been a part of. I'm just going to join. You obviously would join any of the meetings that you had established or generated. And what you would do is post in the chat section. So in the chat bar, I would type in Derek's group and then paste the share link, invite participants, create a share link, copy that link, and then paste it right there. I send that in the chat so that everyone in the chat can see it. Obviously, I only want Derek's group to click that link. And then I would do the same for Jennifer's group and the same thing for Bobby's group. Create a sharing link, copy it, and then I would say Jennifer's group and paste that. I would do the same for Bobby's group. Now I have three whiteboards created, and I might give some time during my lesson for my groups of students to access that whiteboard and then collaborate together. And that might be a nice way of doing it because, if you had 25 students on this Microsoft team meeting, it might be kind of cumbersome to have 25 students contributing to the same whiteboard at the same time. That could get pretty chaotic and frustrating, perhaps. So this is just one way to maybe establish some groups, send that share link out to that whiteboard, and make sure that you've notified your students about what group they're supposed to be a part of. Thank you.